In this video, I'm just going to be showing you how I achieve my go-to everyday makeup look. And first, I'm going to be starting off by wiping my face with my makeup remover wipes. Okay, so now I'm going to be using my Aveeno Positively Radiant Serum. It's a moisturizer and a primer in one. Then I'm going to be using my Kat Von D translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my eyebrows. I use this just to remove the moisture from the serum, because when I go ahead and fill in my eyebrows, it's going to be all waxy and slippery, and I don't want that. I'm going to go ahead and pack all that powder in with my beauty blender. This is my NYX Tame and Frame eyebrow pomade. I just got this from my local beauty supply store. I'm going to go ahead and start by filling in the bottom of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to go ahead and work my way to the top. Also, I kind of like to extend the tail of my brow because, let's be honest, my eyebrows are not the best, so I like to exaggerate them and exaggerate the tail so they can obviously look fuller and better. When I get to the top of the brow, I like to brush down with the spoolie just so I can really expose the top of the brow hairline and really get that nice sharp line. I don't add too much product to the beginning of my brows just because I like that faded effect so it looks slightly natural. So when I get to that front part, I just go ahead and brush it and even the product from the middle of my brow and just brush it so it can blend together. Now, using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, I'm going to be using that shade that's in the bottom left corner. I just use another angled brush at the bottom of my brow and I just use a line right under the brow and then I drag the product down with that same brush. So here, I'm just gonna use that same brush that I was using to fill in my eyebrows. I didn't add any more product, but I'm just kind of defining that bottom line just to give it more of a better look. Then to clean up the top of my brows, I also didn't add any more concealer to that angled brush. I'm just gonna use a leftover product that was there and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the top of the brows. I don't add any more product because I hate when I can see that bright ass line on the top of my brows. Sometimes it happens, but I really try not to, so I do not add any more product. here I use the same beauty blender I use for the translucent powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and really spread and blend in the concealer at the bottom of my brows. This is the NYX Happy Birthday palette. I don't know if this is actually like sold in stores, but all I know is that it was the birthday gift that I got from Sephora. But I'm going to be using that shimmery shade as highlight. Yes, I said it, highlight. I'm going to use it on my brow bone, for my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then my cupid's bow on my lip, as well as my cheeks. For this look, I'm not going to be using falsies, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this mascara to coat the top lashes and my bottom lashes. This is my Tarte 12-Hour Amazonian Clay Blush. I'm just going to add this to the apples of my cheeks just so I can add some color to my face. To lock everything in, I'm going to be using my All Nighter setting spray by Urban Decay. And then for my lips, I'm going to be using the Lip Therapy by Vaseline.